How to transfer money from Skrill to bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer money from Skrill to bank account. For this, you want to download and install the Skrill app on your device. You can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened the application, make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now, if you want to transfer money from Skrill to bank account, then you can do that using the withdrawal option. For this, you want to head over to the withdraw section of your Skrill account. Then tap on the withdraw now option under bank account, choose a bank account and click on next. If you haven't registered a bank account, click add a bank account to submit your bank details. In some cases, you may need to register a bank account issued abroad. Enter the amount and then you want to tap on next. Now, depending on your country, you may need to provide additional details such as your CPF or CNP number. You will be asked to verify your bank account if you have not done that already. Now, a summary page with your withdrawal information will appear. To finalize, confirm the transaction by entering your PIN. Now, you do have a withdrawal limit. You can check out the withdrawal limit in the withdraw section of your account under the respective withdrawal option. In case there is a minimum transaction limit, you will see it on screen when initiating the withdrawal. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.